Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the Galaxy Buds2 Pro and case have juice. Charge both until the indicator shows a stable light. Once charged, install the Galaxy wearable app on Android or open Bluetooth settings on iPhone. Then, open the case next to your phone and wait for the pairing prompt. Tap Connect. You do this because the app gives full control, while direct Bluetooth only pairs audio. After pairing, make sure the firmware prompt is visible in the app so you can update next. You now refine the experience. Try different ear tips and run the app's fit test to confirm a proper seal, because seal affects bass and ANC performance. Once you have a secure fit, assign touch controls and set ANC versus ambient based on your environment. Then, tweak the equalizer presets or custom EQ to match your taste. If you use multiple devices, enable auto switch or game mode for low latency audio. These steps optimize sound, latency, and call clarity. You finish by learning daily habits that prevent problems. Use single bud mode for calls, close the case to pause playback, and remember to place buds in the case to charge between sessions. Clean the silicone tips and mesh with a soft brush or cloth regularly, since debris affects mic and sensors. If audio drops, sensors misbehave, or pairing fails, reset the buds in the app, delete device from Bluetooth, and repair. Make sure firmware is current. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.